Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra with the Qrevo Master. So which one should you prefer? This is what we will be finding out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on Reddit, and from the official page of Roborock, they have asked which one, deciding between these two. So in response to it, we just have to read not a 50-50. The S8 Maxv Qrevo Master thinks is the S8 Maxv is $1,700. So if you can afford it, you can go for it. So you can read the comments over here in response to it, and then you can make up your mind whether you want to purchase any of these or not, or which one should you actually go for. So if majority is liking the Qrevo Master, then you can go for Qrevo Master. But if the majority is liking plus the budget is also in your favor, you can even go for S8 Maxv Ultra. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.